How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi sync to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the more button on the top here. And from the pop-up menu, tap on advanced settings. Next, in here, we go down and tap on sync with Samsung Cloud. You can tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch on sync with Samsung Cloud. You can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you'll be able to further customize your Wi-Fi sync. So just wait for the settings to load up. And from here, you can choose sync now, sync using Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you can also choose to encrypt or the Wi-Fi sync or not. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.